What are you talking about? Oh, look at that nice ass Cadillac. Look. Oh, I like that.
That is nice.
I like that. That's the one that turned me on to the Cadillac CT6.
Mommy,
I think it was
I
before.
would get one of those.
You like that one?
No, he like that.
We going to Cadillac. We finna get us a Caddy, man. We finna go from luxury to luxury, cuz. Fuck that sports shit. What you think?
But the speed's not there.
You
You don't have 900 horsepower.
Well, you need some modification for that, though, too.
Okay, well, the standard is like 700-800, and you don't have that with the Cadillac.
I don't know. I'm sure they got some trims to get up there, but they don't. Typically, I would imagine no, they don't really get up there. CT8. I think that was a CT8. I don't know. I don't really know Cadillac models that good, but all I know is that motherfucker was sexy at the touch. Yo ass ugly as hell, bro. Why you making that funny ass face? Tweak it. Stop, man. Why are you trying to make me laugh off the camera for? Looking like a damn one. Girl, you look like a motherfucking
Dip.
Ooh.
Dip.
Shit, man, where we fast to go? Listen, y'all.
You said coffee.
My son
Oh.
told me to put my seatbelt on, y'all.
You picked one inside of there.
Did I do what? No, it's Starbucks, fool. It's the Bucks, cuz.
Yeah, you picked one inside of Safeway. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, damn. That's all good. Fuck it, I'm gonna go in there and get this.
I guess I could go pee.
Oh, you could go use the restroom, too.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah, it's on that side. You wanna go on that side?
Your mama.
You just so rude.
What?
You are just so rude.
I'm about to say something about your mama. What?
No, you don't have anything to say about my mama.
I'm about to say your mama is a beautiful person.
Mm-hmm.
In mind, body, and spirit. You know what I'm saying? So, look at the red wheels on that bad boy. What? What? Let's go. Speed demon. Let me park away from food. Why? What the fuck is you got in your? What the? Look at what the?
Whoa.
My man's out there living in.
Why he has so much shorts out his window? His shorts is good.
My man's out
It's
here
good blow.
tweaking.
It's good blow.
But that Astro van though, people be sleep on the Astro van. That mug, hey, that mug is clean for real. Well, not that one, but the Astro van when you hook it up, make it nice, man. You could sleep in that bad boy.
I think he's missing some lug nuts.
For real.
In the first front row.
Damn, boy, you finna.
Man,
Man.
he's living though.
Stay far away
Doing
from
his
that
best.
gate. Is he though?
He's doing his best.
Oh,
We don't know what he's been through.
that's true. You never know. You never know what people been through. Make and do with what you got, man. I can respect that. Let's go ahead and get some Starbucks because I'm tired of the motherfucker. And it's 5:30. When am I gonna get Starbucks for that? You gonna drive? That made no sense. Let's go. Dang, man.
Dexter, let's go.
Oh man, this motherfucking COVID shot got me feeling like real on top. So, I still got this dilemma. Do I just get a new car? I get the either the Scat pack, the Hellcat, or do I just keep my Genesis and just hook it up? You know, wait, I gotta lock the door, bro. Or do I just hook my shit up? Oh my God! Every time you want to swing like this is a goddamn roller coaster. Stop. Lightly used thrift store. Right. Define lightly used. Scratch it back 10 times. Stop. If you scratch your butt, that's a payphone, bro. Damn. I ain't seen one of them in a minute. You don't know what the hell. Bye-bye. What's that thing?
What's that right there?
That one over there. Watch out. What's that thing over there?
That blue one. Let's go look at it. What is that? What is that?
Money.
Money.
What is that?
What is it, bro? Don't put your face on that thing. You don't know what it is.
Put it back. You don't know what that is?
No, it's a code.
That's a payphone, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the most updated payphone I've ever seen. Look at this thing, man. It got a screen on it. And it got a credit card. But look it up.
Dad, look at this.
4 calls for $1. What? Dang.
Dad, look at
This thing is a shit.
What did you say this was?
Money and some shit. Why are you doing that? Let's go get some fucking bucks, bro. Oh, tired. Oh. I'm like dragging right now. For real. Now you just feel like, I don't know. You just walking around, you just feel like, How you doing?
Alright. How can I help you?
Can I get a grande caramel? What's it called?
French?
Yeah, there you go. That's the one. That's the one. That's my shizzle. Let me get an extra shot in that bad boy too.
Sure. Anything else for you?
No, that's it.
Okay. $26.98 for you. You do need your receipt tonight.
Yeah. Alright. We just did the bucks. You know what I'm saying? Did the bucks. I swear I still need that lavalier mic, yo. Oh. That was not supposed to happen. So